Most unfrozen shrimp that you buy at the supermarket was actually frozen on the boat and then thawed at the store. So for the freshest shrimp, you're actually better off buying it frozen and then thawing only what you need when you get home. But buying frozen alone isn't a guarantee of good shrimp. Here's what you really need to know. To prevent darkening or water loss during thawing, some manufacturers treat the shrimp with either salt or a chemical called sodium tripolyphosphate, also known as STPP. We subjected both kinds of pre-treated shrimp to an array of tests. We actually came to some important conclusions. Salt-treated shrimp are okay in a pinch. They were a bit saltier than plain shrimp, though not objectionable, and their textures were pretty comparable. If you're going to use salt-treated shrimp, just make sure to skip any brining step. However, you should avoid STPP-treated shrimp altogether. We found they had a chemical flavor and mushy texture that our tasters really disliked. So next time you're buying shrimp, opt for frozen and make sure to check out the ingredient list so you don't buy shrimp that will ruin your dish.